We live in a digital world now, and participating in the digital economy is an imperative for all. These videos are designed to help you quickly understand the key digital topics and the technologies in approximately 5 minutes. A number of 2017 industry analyst reports indicated that many organizations are not really progressing fast enough with leveraging digital technologies for business value. McKinsey & Company indicated that less than 40% of organizations are digitized. Dynatrace, in a survey of over 1,200 organizations, found 48% of survey participants indicated digital performance challenges were hindering their success in their digital transformation. A 2017 OECD study for the G20 meeting on the key issues for digital transformation indicated that 50% of organizations experience one or more of the challenges we shall shortly present, slowing down their participation in the digital economy. A review of industry reports and studies, as you can see here, from leading analysts and digital leaders, comes up with a pretty consistent list of the top challenges that limit or slow digital transformation. We shall take a look at these now. Lack of a clear vision and strategic intent relating to leveraging digital for business value is a limiting factor in setting the direction and focus for the organization. Lack of knowledge and competence that gives leaders the confidence to set the right vision and plan, and for other stakeholders the ability to productively contribute in the transformation. Attitudes towards existing systems and technology presents a barrier to new technology adoption, whether it be sunk cost or emotional investment, or perceived technical challenges such as integration and interoperability. Performance management and return on investment visibility is an issue, where organizations are not experiencing the impact of their technology investment. Lack of focus on the customer and their digital engagement and journey in the acquisition of your organization's products and services, another important issue that slows down digital transformation. Inertia at all levels. At the highest level, the perception of risk that significant change to the business or business model might bring, right down to the operational level where fear of the unknown and what might be the consequences of digital transformation for the individual or teams. Digital transformation can enable and require culture change. Digital has the potential to change how individuals live and work. Now present a summary of an approach to assist an organization overcome these challenges we have presented and overcome the inertia when it comes to leveraging digital technologies. First, we need to recognize and acknowledge that digital transformation is an organization development change activity, and it needs to be managed as one. We'll take a look at the main questions our method addresses. Understanding the range of technologies that each and the opportunity that each presents is an important starting point. However, it needs to be in the context of an overall vision and direction for the organization. There are many strategic and tactical choices for the organization, and there needs to be a process to make these key choices, set the priorities and direction for the organization, given focus and clarity to the vision. In creating strategic digital intent, we create a guide. Strategic intent is a succinct and compelling statement which answers the question, what exactly are we aiming to accomplish? It conveys a sense of direction, discovery, and destiny, and is often captured in the vision, values, goals, and KPIs for an organization. Our strategic intent must lead to the key technology-enabled business initiatives and their related goals, while answering the question, what are the target outcomes? In addition to having an understanding of the target digital behaviors, this will help to understand the organization and stakeholder practices that are enabled or required to support these outcomes. There are many technology options and a sophisticated technology landscape to be considered for adoption. We must make sure that our choices, directly or indirectly, make a compelling contribution towards achieving the organization's compelling business targets. At this stage of the method, the leadership team, supported by subject matter experts, will make some initial selection of technology, strategies, and types. Rather than specific technology, products, and services, this is actually an execution decision. The next question for the organization is, what exactly do we do now, and how do we do it? These are all questions that arise at every stage of the method. No method could answer all these questions. However, a good method should provide direction and tools to point individuals and teams in the right direction. Before the digital roadmap can be completed, the leadership will need to consider the available and required capabilities and competencies for a successful transformation. Formal and informal assessment can support identification and prioritization for capability building that supports transformation. Having set the strategic digital intent, the targets, the technology types, and the capabilities required, a formal high-level digital vision and roadmap can be documented and communicated. This method assumes an organization has processes for program, project, and operational change management. And there are many other models out there that can guide in these areas. The purpose of our method is to focus and draw out the nuances of digital transformation, ensure they are included. It does, however, introduce and recommend an agile approach to planning and implementation. Agile sprints provide a more dynamic, organic, and learning responsive approach, delivering regular usable assets from both individuals and teams. They create early and continuous organization and business outcomes. Planning and acquiring new knowledge and skills is a critical success factor. This method focuses on an approach that is driven by individual and team work activities. The skills required to complete these activities and tasks are identified in a more focused and granular method, rather than extensive and comprehensive training and education broadly delivered to the organization, which is costly. The method focuses on building teams with the required competencies to deliver each work activity as a usable output. Measuring progress and success is an ongoing process, important to all stakeholders, given that we're dealing with a reasonably sophisticated set of changes and activities. Using the right indicators to measure and connecting them with the organization's targets is essential. The method provides a tool to do this while ensuring each measurement is a useful asset that can trigger the action required. Sustaining transformation is about institutionalizing change, but also continuous innovation and improvement. Our method is based on sound practice and recent advances in management science. It provides the education tools, templates, and guides to guide an organization in setting and executing its digital. Thanks for your attention. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Below you can see other videos in the digital series. If you need any further information, you can go to the listed websites, or you can email me at info@intelligentorg.com. Thank you again.